What's up everyone, this is Ian Trader. Welcome back to my channel. This is another render update, another render technical analysis, price update. And let's just take a look at the chart. This is render USDT chart. And as you can see, this arrow right here, this pattern, this is actually the remaining of my previous video that I've done back in May. So when I was telling you that, guys, some of you are like, no, it's not gonna happen. We're just gonna continue going up from there. We're just gonna continue going up. But what actually happened is, like, I was right with my prediction. Actually, not super quick, but it took a little longer than expected. But we're touching this order box that I drew for you guys in my previous video, and this is really strong support. So let's just remove this for now. And as you can see here, it's we don't have that much data actually. This is a daily chart, but we can clearly see that this area right here is a really strong support, and anything in this order box is a great purchase for long-term holding. And we just tapped, as you can see here, we just touched this order box, which is great. If you don't have a render and if you want to be invested, now is the time to look around. And why this level is really important. Let's just stretch it out to the left side, and as you can see those wicks here, again, it's really important level, and all the closures are right here above the wicks. So I think this should be like the perfect opportunity. Anything lower than that, than 6.95 cent is actually even better. So if we go down here, that's great. If you go lower, that's even better. So, but it's really possible we're just gonna bounce. We're just gonna bounce from that and continue going up. But first of all, this is not financial advice. As always, this is just my personal opinion on the market. I'm just giving you my thoughts on the market, and you should make your decision accordingly to your research. And yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And also, thank you so much to all the new subscribers. It's over 900. I cannot believe that happened actually. Thank you so much. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe now. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. I really love what I'm doing for you guys. And yeah, I want to continue doing that. And the more of you are here, the better for my channel, for the growth, for everyone. So thank you so much, and like this video, make a comment, everything helps, and subscribe. All right, let's just continue with the chart. So my prediction for this is really simple, because I think we should just stop this level right here if this was not the last wick, but maybe we're just gonna go down here and just continue going up. And how far, I don't know, no one knows. But if something like that happens, just look how beautifully you can do that swing trade of almost 100% to the top. Okay, where else can you make that money? It's like, it's huge money. So, and I made that prediction perfectly, because I told you guys that we would go down and bounce, and the first part of my prediction was right, and the second part is coming probably. Let's see. I had a lot of really good predictions actually recently, so I'm really happy about that. So now let's just take a look at something I'm always really interested in, which is render BTC chart. And as you can see here, we have a couple of wicks reaching this order box that I presented for you in my previous video, actually my previous update. And as you can see here, we're bouncing of this of those levels, because the buying pressure is really strong. And if we zoom out, actually we can see the clear uptrend, and this order box, whenever we go in the price with the price into that order box, is gonna be a good moment to accumulate a little bit of your BTC and sacrifice it for render, because if we bounce back to the all-time high, it's going to be 100%. So we have 1 BTC here and we have 2 BTC here. Okay, so that's really that simple, and if you know that strategy, it can bring you a lot of profits over time. And what's really interesting, when we switch from daily to weekly chart, look at that. Look at the weekly EMA. This is 50 weekly moving average, and look guys how perfectly we bounced from that moving average, and we bounced around over 100%, and now we just touched it again. And I'm telling you, like, moving averages 50 and 200, weekly, daily are perfect moments for accumulating coins. Also, the historical support is a really great indicator, and of course Fibonacci retracement level. So if we put it on the chart, let's see what we can see. Yeah, so we have that moving average, we have this order box, we have an uptrend here, and we have 382 level. I don't think we can reach 236 level because it's a higher cap coin, and I don't think we can reach that low. BTC would have to go down to like 50k or something, or even lower. However, I believe that it's possible for render to let's just fix it really quick. It's possible for render to reach this level right here and continue the uptrend like this, because we have not only Fibonacci retracement level right here, not only we have an uptrend, but we have this moving average. But if we break it a little bit below, like here, it's fine. However, one of the first purchasing level could be here. So remember guys, to DCA always, and absolutely this is not financial advice, as always, this is just my personal opinion. That's what I would do. And yeah, that would be my first purchasing zone right here. But if we break it, because usually we bounce, but like not all the time, so you have to be prepared to like get some more with lower price, and the next one would be around here, and the next one would be this uptrend, and the absolute lowest would be 236. But I don't really think we can get there anytime soon, because render is getting stronger, and again, a lot of recognition on the market. So but if we reach this level, then look guys, to the all-time high here, the local top, it would be 131%. 1 BTC here, 1.3 BTC there. Okay, 2.3 actually. So we can more than double your Bitcoin on that one little movement, which is ridiculous. So let's just go into to check CoinGecko, and render is actually at number 35 right now with a market cap of $2.75 billion. And let's say if we were to 10x, so let's say render is gonna go to $70, it's gonna 10x. So looking at the market cap, we would have to go past XRP. So we would have to be at we would get into top 10 in front of XRP right now, if only render is gonna move like that, which is unlikely to happen. We would like to see some movement from BTC, and when we look at Bitcoin, we're still accumulating. So look what happens guys, like we're in this channel, but whatever we go down, the altcoins are bleeding and the dominance is going up, which means, by the way, we just let's just clean it up really quick. We just broke this falling wedge, and I told you guys that we would see 1 or 2 moves upwards. We had a retest, and we're gonna continue going to 56, 57, and it's a great moment to accumulate altcoins, as I said before in my videos. So what happens here, we're basically accumulating in the zone between 73 all the way down to 60, we're in this channel, but whenever we go down, the altcoins are bleeding more and more, which indicates some big move for Bitcoin. Every time the Bitcoin is getting stronger in the market and the altcoins are bleeding, it means that the Bitcoin is gonna it's preparing itself for a bigger move. It's preparing to either break this level and go up, or it's preparing to go lower. You know, I know it sounds stupid. It's like, oh, it's gonna go up or down. Like, thank you, genius. But that's what's always happening. It's whenever altcoins are losing, altcoins are bleeding, with Bitcoins going sideways, it indicates a bigger move by Bitcoin. Okay, so you have to be ready, and you have to be really careful when it comes to investment in altcoins. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. All right, so that would be it for today. Let's just take a look at Fear and Greed, and 74 is growing, guys. Like, it's crazy. It's been forever, like going up forever. I don't know when it's gonna end. I don't know when we're gonna see fear, extreme fear, finally, because I haven't seen it for a long time. And that would be really good for the market, and that would be really good for people who want to invest and are not invested yet. Let's just take a look at altcoin Bitcoin season. We're going down. We're at the lowest points. Remember, guys, when we're at the lowest points, you accumulate altcoins. When we're at the highest points, you're selling your altcoins and you accumulate Bitcoin, and you wait. All right. So that's really, really important rule on the crypto market. So yeah, let's see what Bitcoin's gonna do. If Bitcoin's gonna continue going up or going like sideways in a healthy way, that means the render can actually pick up. But like, I think the altcoins lost the juice right now, and the profits have been taken, and now we're preparing for some move from BTC. And if we see Bitcoin actually breaking this pattern, this little channel here, breaking up and just going up, that would bring a lot more capital in the market, and that would mean that actually render can move from number 35 to the upward move, to the upward movement, like to like top 20, top 10, or something like that. So we actually need some more capital. We need some movement from the Bitcoin to wake up the altcoin market, because it's been really lazy recently. I feel like a lot of whales took their profits, as I said before, and now we need some shakeout, which is happening right now, and we need some bigger move to reset all the BTC altcoin charts and start over again, which is a great opportunity for someone that wants to start their new positions. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna talk to you tomorrow, and thank you so much for all the subscriptions. If you like my content, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and comment down below. I really appreciate that. Please help me reach 1,000 subscribers. I will really, really appreciate that. And have a good day, and talk to you tomorrow. See ya.